Alright, so that's a little higher than I plan on going. It'll probably be 5 foot from the top of this original rail. I'll go up 5 foot. Those are 6 foot pieces, so they're going to be sitting on top of this lip. I'll box this in, and I'm thinking 5 foot. And then that extra foot in the front is going to slope down just a little bit, but overall from ground to top it should be under 7 foot. I don't want it too high because it's only a 5x7, otherwise it'll just be sticking up way in the air. I may go under 5 foot, I'm not sure yet, but I'll start tacking it up and we'll see where we end up. Okay, we're finally gonna get to building the frame of this upper half. Apologize if there's any wind noise. It's kind of windy out today. It's a good day. Neighbors cutting some wood next door, so you might hear a chainsaw. But I gotta cut some metal to length, and we'll start tacking it in. Okay, that's all the welding I'm going to do for today. I didn't get the frame completely done. I ran out of steel. I got to get some more posts. But yeah, it looks kind of tweaked because it's the trailer's on a slight incline there, so everything's kind of tilted. But I was going to do that other centerpiece through here, but I ended up working on this front 1 foot piece. I wasn't going to do that today, but these were exactly 1 foot that were left over from the cuts from this across here. They're 6 foot pieces, and that's exactly 5 foot. That came out to be exactly 1 foot here, so with that 6, and that made 7, so it lined up perfect. So I'm not sure how I want to do the front end exactly yet. I was thinking coming up and then near the top here having a slight incline at the top, but I don't know if I want to go right from this corner down to this corner and have one big wedge. I don't think I'll like that. It'll take away from the inside quite a bit. I'd rather have it go straight up most of the way and then angle in, just so it doesn't look like a big box. But I only still tacked everything. I got to go around and weld everything in completely, but I threw in some stitch welds along the bottom to keep it from popping off. I am going to drill through it, and I'll probably put bolts right down through this way it's bolted and welded to the frame. There's just that way there's no way for this to come off. I mean, it's stiffening up every time I put something else on it, so I'm feeling better about it. But I still got to do another upright, another cross piece, and a few more on the front to figure out how I'm going to do that. But I'm going to call it quits on welding for today. It's getting hot out anyways. It's got to be close to 80 degrees out here up Western New York. It's still spring, so this feels really hot. I might just move on to the next.